Beneath the surface of tropical and subtropical seas lives one of nature's most extraordinary and misunderstood predators, the mantis shrimp. Despite its name, this creature isn't a true shrimp or mantis. It belongs to the order Stomatopoda, a group of marine crustaceans that have fascinated scientists for decades. Found in coral reefs, seagrass beds, and rocky crevices throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans, mantis shrimp are small, usually no more than 6 inches long. But their biology is anything but simple. There are over 400 known species of mantis shrimp, generally categorized into 2 types based on their hunting strategies: smashers and spearers. Smashers, like Odontodactylus cilarus, commonly known as the peacock mantis shrimp, wield club-like appendages that strike prey with the speed of a bullet, capable of breaking crab shells or even cracking aquarium glass. Spearers, in contrast, have spiny, barbed arms that impale soft-bodied prey, like fish, with precision. Despite their powerful offense, mantis shrimp aren't invulnerable. Larger fish, octopuses, and humans are among their few natural predators. Their preferred habitats, holes in reef rock or sand burrows, serve both as hunting grounds and protective shelters. But the most captivating trait of the mantis shrimp isn't its punch, it's its vision. The mantis shrimp boasts what many scientists consider the most sophisticated visual system in the entire animal kingdom. Each of its eyes sits atop a mobile stalk and can move independently, giving the animal nearly panoramic vision. But their uniqueness goes far beyond range of motion. These eyes are trinocular and stereoscopic, meaning each one can independently gauge depth using 3 distinct visual regions. This allows the mantis shrimp to triangulate distance and depth with a single eye, a rare capability in nature. Unlike humans, who rely on just 3 types of photoreceptor cells to perceive color, red, green, and blue, mantis shrimp species can have 12 to 16 photoreceptor types, including receptors for ultraviolet light and a wide range of colors invisible to us. This allows them to distinguish subtle color variations that even our most advanced imaging systems struggle to detect. But perhaps the most astonishing feature is their ability to perceive polarized light, including both linear and circular polarization, a form of light reflection undetectable to most other animals. Their eyes contain specialized cells that act like microscopic optical filters, making them exquisitely sensitive to changes in light angle, reflection, and orientation. This ability helps them detect camouflaged prey, communicate through polarized body patterns, and navigate complex reef environments with unparalleled precision. These visual superpowers make the mantis shrimp not just a predator, but a biological outlier, one that continues to challenge and expand our understanding of vision in the natural world. Polarized light is light that vibrates in a single plane, as opposed to the random orientations in normal light. Many marine species produce polarized reflections on their bodies or through secretions, features often used in mating displays or camouflage. Humans can only detect polarization using special filters, like polarized sunglasses. Mantis shrimp, however, can see polarized light directly, thanks to specialized structures in their eyes called R8 cells within the midband region. This allows them not only to detect the angle of polarized light but also to differentiate between circularly polarized light, something no other known animal is capable of. This visual adaptation likely serves multiple purposes. First, it helps the mantis shrimp in hunting. Transparent or camouflaged prey, such as small fish or crustaceans, often reflect polarized light. Mantis shrimp can detect these otherwise hidden targets with ease. Second, it facilitates communication. Some mantis shrimp species reflect polarized light off their bodies, creating secret visual signals that are invisible to both predators and competitors. This could play a role in territorial disputes, mating rituals, or even warning signals. Third, their vision may help them navigate complex reef environments. By reading polarized light patterns off the water's surface or substrate, mantis shrimp may orient themselves more effectively than other species relying solely on color or light intensity. The mantis shrimp's extraordinary vision is more than a biological marvel. It's becoming a blueprint for next-generation technology. Inspired by the shrimp's ability to detect multiple forms of polarized light, scientists have developed polarization-sensitive imaging systems capable of seeing what conventional cameras cannot. These bio-inspired devices can reveal microscopic stress fractures in materials, detect early-stage cancer cells, and enhance underwater visibility in murky or refractive environments where traditional optics fail. In 2014, researchers from the University of Illinois and Queensland University engineered a compact camera that emulates the mantis shrimp's complex visual system. It can analyze polarization across multiple channels, providing an unprecedented level of detail and contrast in imaging. Unlike traditional sensors, which are often limited to brightness and color, this camera can detect subtle structural differences in invisible textures, offering immense potential for medical diagnostics, industrial inspection, and autonomous robotics. This intersection of biology and engineering, known as biomimetics, demonstrates how evolutionary innovations, refined over millions of years, can inspire practical solutions to modern technological challenges. In decoding the mantis shrimp's visual system, we're not just learning how nature sees, We're beginning to see the world in entirely new ways ourselves. The mantis shrimp is not just a curious anomaly of the ocean. It's a neurobiological powerhouse that redefines what we thought possible in animal perception. With trinocular vision in each eye, an array of up to 16 photoreceptor types, and the rare ability to detect both linear and circular polarized light, this crustacean perceives a world utterly invisible to us. Its eyes don't just collect information, they process it in ways that outpace even our most advanced optical sensors. By studying the mantis shrimp, scientists are uncovering entirely new paradigms in visual processing, animal communication, and sensory evolution. In doing so, they're not just decoding an alien vision system, they're paving the way for innovations in biomedical imaging, underwater navigation, and machine vision. The mantis shrimp doesn't just challenge our assumptions, it expands the very frontiers of science.